represent us and serve the people of Jamaica in whichever of the 63 constituencies across the country emerge as our standard bearer in the respective constituencies. And just to close it out, if there's also Manchester Northeastern, I would commend to you that you stay tuned.
So you have,
what the latest
by your count,
are.
you still have 3 to be settled, or 4?
Well, 2. I said 2. It's really Clarendon Northwestern. Essentially, the selection committee of the party, well, the party secretariat has made a recommendation Clarendon Central. Former Kingston Mayor Delroy
Williams
is the person who they are recommending, as it were, to be advanced as our standard bearer. So there is Aldershaw's Northeast Manchester, outstanding. There is Philip Enriquez's Clarendon Northwestern to be sorted out. We have just had Cliff, Manchester Southern, and Manchester Southern. So it is the St. Andrew North Central, Manchester Northeastern, and Clarendon Northwestern. So those 3 seats are determinations are likely to be made in the few days ahead or a couple of weeks ahead of us.